Have you ever wondered how creators turn a single long video into a week's worth of viral social media clips without losing their minds? The secret isn't hiring a massive production team. It's using the right AI tools to automate the tedious parts of editing. Today I'm going to show you how I use Vizard to take an hour-long recording and transform it into bite-sized, ready-to-post content that actually gets views. Forget those generative video tools that just make fake scenes. Vizard is built specifically for creators who need to repurpose long-form content. Its core superpowers are automatic clip editing, intelligent scheduling, and a content calendar that keeps your entire production pipeline in one place. Once you sign in, the process starts with a super clean dashboard where you simply upload your raw video file. The AI immediately gets to work analyzing the footage for engagement signals like laughter, vocal excitement, or big visual changes. Within minutes, you'll see a batch of ready-made clips categorized by type, such as highlights, quotes, or reaction shots. Let's try a quick experiment by creating a 1-minute teaser from a longer video about a specific topic, like fitness or nutrition. Vizard automatically surfaces the best moments, and you can just select the ones that match your current content theme. Once you pick your clips, you can easily tweak the transcript, swap the thumbnail, and add some upbeat royalty-free music. The result is a polished, professional-looking video with captions and a punchy hook, all finished in under a minute. What I love is that you aren't stuck with the AI's first guess. You can manually drag the handles if you want more context. If the trim feels slightly off, there is even a regenerate button that forces the AI to reevaluate and give you a different perspective. When it comes to exporting, you can easily toggle between vertical shorts, square for Instagram, or landscape for YouTube. You can even batch export different formats simultaneously, saving you massive amounts of time during the final steps. One of my favorite features is the auto scheduler, which allows you to set up your posting cadence well in advance. Vizard will take your clips, vary the captions, and cue them up to go live at the exact time when your audience is most active. This lets you turn a single hour-long podcast recording into an entire month of consistent social growth. The content calendar is where this tool really shines as a project management platform for your brand. You can drag and drop your planned posts, bulk edit captions, and track performance metrics all in one unified view. I personally use this to plan out themed weeks like Tips Week or behind-the-scenes content, keeping my feed fresh and diverse. Now, why choose this over generative video tools that build scenes from scratch? Those tools are fun, but they don't solve the distribution problem of finding and clipping your best actual moments. Also, many generative tools charge per minute or per render, which can become incredibly expensive if you are a high-volume creator. Vizard is focused on scale, helping you publish more content rather than just making one shiny, expensive piece. For example, I once took a 45-minute narrative story and used Vizard to extract the inciting incident and the cliffhangers. By sequencing these clips with cinematic bars and a color grade, I turned the whole thing into a bingeable mini-series. The audience started asking what happened next, and my engagement spiked because the AI helped me craft true narrative momentum. A pro tip is to draft your hooks and descriptions in an LLM before you start, which helps Vizard suggest even better captions. However, you should keep an eye on the auto-clip engine, as it sometimes picks a viral moment that lacks the necessary context for the viewer. Also, if you are doing very dense technical content like coding walkthroughs, you might need to step in and do a little manual trimming. Pricing is straightforward, with tiers based on your monthly processing volume, making it great for both solo creators and larger teams. If you're ready to stop spending hours editing and start letting AI do the heavy lifting, this is the most practical tool I've used. It finds the gold, polishes it, and gets it published on autopilot so you can focus on making great long-form content. If you want, drop a link to one of your long videos in the comments, and I will show you how I would chunk it up for social media. My name is Gerald Wilson, and I'll see you in the comments. Let's make sure your long videos actually earn their keep.